I really like this salad a lot. It's a complete salad because it contains many nutrients. Here we have probiotics, prebiotics, as well as many essential vitamins for perfect health, and it will fully satisfy you. I'll show you the step-by-step process, and you'll see how easy and tasty it is. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to a week without any issues. I'll post the ingredients in the video description. But first, I want to ask for your collaboration, so please subscribe, share, and like this video because here on the Very OK channel, we will bring many healthy recipes and lots of information for you to have more quality of life and knowledge. So, let's start the step-by-step of this super nutritious beet salad. Here I have 2 beets. If you want, you can make a larger quantity, just double the recipe. After peeling and washing the beets, I'll cut them into cubes. Here on the Very OK channel, we also have a video about the benefits of beets, so it's worth watching. I'll post it here in the video description. Beet is a food rich in iron, great for those with anemia, for example, and also excellent for detox. Here, to be precise, I have 200 grams of beet in total. Now, I will chop the raw beet. In this way, the texture of the beet will become even tastier with the seasonings that we will add shortly. After chopping well, I'll then separate the beet into a container to then mix in the seasonings. If you want, you can also add chopped carrots as an option. Look at the texture of the beet. Here I have onion. I like to add onion, but if you don't like it, you can skip this step. After chopping the onion, I'll mix it well. You can also add cherry tomatoes. Yes, you can add the ingredients you prefer, according to your taste. Here, I have coriander. Coriander is excellent for detox and will add a special flavor along with the beet. It's a good combination. Here I will finely chop the coriander with a sharp knife. This salad is really very nutritious and tasty. Look how wonderful! I'm sure your family will love it. Here I have apple cider vinegar, a good apple cider vinegar with the special ingredient the mother, which is the special probiotic. You can find it in various stores, including online, and there are many good brands nowadays. Here I will add 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Add it gradually, and if you think it needs more, then add up to a total of 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Here I have a good Italian olive oil. I recommend using a high-quality olive oil, preferably in a dark glass bottle and organic. I will add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I will add a good quality salt, according to your preference, and also a pinch of black pepper for a special flavor. You can add black pepper as an option. After stirring well, my special beet salad is ready. Here we have both the probiotics from the apple cider vinegar and the prebiotics due to the amount of fiber that the beet contains. And yes, you can add apple cider vinegar to various dishes. In the beet salad, it's really delicious. Look at this wonder, it makes your mouth water, a complete meal. Making it this way, you won't regret it as it is a natural salad and will provide you with nutrients and is great for your intestinal flora, as well as being a great option for detox. I really like to combine it with rice and meats, it's delicious. If you liked the video, subscribe, like, and share. We will bring lots of new stuff, healthy recipes, and lots of information. Thank you for watching. Very OK.